Booties, we're gonna go on a search today to find us a man's. Let's start with a throw, brush here.
You know me, I just don't stop.
Brush away.
I've been down, but I'm back.
So many potential men,
No, they all
so few good ones.
Now they all want a little love. I've
Run.
been getting comfortable on my
Nice and slow, speed it up.
Loving it, I can handle it.
Other side.
So if I'm gonna love someone,
Fast. This way.
damn,
Just rock it out.
I'm gonna need
You're chilling.
someone who want me
They'll
like
come to you. Arm swing, 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 hip, hip around. Again.
I'm gonna need myself. I need you right for me like you. Stay. I need somebody who
swing.
can love me like I love me like I can.
Beginning, brush.
Yeah, I know that he out
No, not
there.
you.
Who won't step up to the plate? Yeah. 'Cause I
Never
ain't
settle.
yeah.
Run slow.
I've been getting comfortable on my own. It's
Isolate.
loving it, I can handle it. Yeah. So if I'm gonna love someone,
This way. Step.
damn, I'm gonna need myself.
Did you find one?
Someone who want me like I need somebody who can love me like I love me.
Hip, hip around again.
Damn, I'm gonna need myself. He right for me like he
Is he down here?
I need somebody who can love me like I love me like I can.
Sit down. Around.
This is only for me.
Look.
Who gon' love me like I love me like I can, like I can.
Bigger.
Well, damn, I'm gonna need myself.
I want all the men in the world to hear you.
I need somebody who can love me like I love me
Hip,
like I
hip
can.
around.
Damn, I'm gonna need myself. You right for me like he's stay. I need somebody who can love me like I love me like I can.
Sit down. Roll. Sit.
Love me like I love me like I can.
I think you found one.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to watch the official video, click right here and click right here to join the Booty Army. We do 60-minute sweat sessions every single week. Also, Haley and I have a new podcast called Coffee with My Ex. We do that every week as well, and you can click somewhere on this screen to find it.